If you gotta chase her, she's not yours. Have you ever had to go way above and beyond, do all type of extra for a woman who doesn't reciprocate anything or barely anything? She's not yours. Always remember, high value men, they don't chase, they replace. Always know when to cut your losses and take that L and move on. Let's talk about it. What defines a high value man? A man with self-respect, purpose-driven, someone who's emotionally stable, someone who has their finances in order. A high value man is all about his mindset. The mindset takes precedence over anything, including money. He's going to live his life the way he wants to, and people could either agree with it or disagree with it. They could rock with him or they cannot. Whatever the case, none of these factors will change the fact that this man is going to live his best life on his own terms. Chasing is weak energy. Chasing is not what a high value man does. A high value man has an abundance mindset. People that chase have a scarcity mindset. It's a big difference between the two. Women will naturally be attracted to people that lead, not people that follow the crowd. Now, to touch on this scarcity mindset thing, as you chase women, you show them that you need them. Needing shows that you're scarce in your life. You know, you scarce with your women that you can talk to or anything like that. You want to always be abundant. Hell, even if you don't have any women on your roster, you don't want to have the scarcity mindset to where if one is going to entertain you, then you have to just jump through hoops and all type of crazy shit. That's not what high value men do. The high value man and the abundance mindset, they're going to move with abundance. They know that if things don't work out with one female, there are plenty of other fish in the sea, and they're just going to move accordingly. That's not showing them that you need them, because if they feel like you need them, first of all, they're going to use and abuse you. And second of all, they're just going to waste your time. So why even have to go through all of that? High value men have a replacement mentality. Now, when I say replace, I don't mean just emotionally. It's based off of standards and clarity. And hey, if one woman is not gonna be on board with the game plan, do you really want her on your team? Don't chase, attract. And if you have to beg for her attention, she's already disqualified. Simple as that. As you adopt the high value mentality, you'll start driving women crazy. Not in the 730 type of way, but in a good way. Might sound backwards, but women, they're often attracted to men who don't chase them. They like men that don't put them on a pedestal. In a relationship, it has to be some sort of balance. If you like her more than she likes you, you're gonna repulse her. Trust me. Female desires are based on mystery, challenge, and status. Now, if you start talking to somebody and you tell your whole life story, you have no more mystery. You know, you have to be selective with what information you share. The challenge is going to be more psychological. She's going to see what she can and can't get away with. She's going to try to see what she could get out of you. And you know, if she really likes you, all of that is not even going to be a possibility. And if she really likes you, you don't even have to do any of this shit. Just being honest. And status. Now, your status, obviously, they're going to ask you where you work at. Keep it a mystery. It could be a good talking point for someone that's really interested in you. But from my experiences, I've learned that saying where you work at, that brings a little dollar signs in their eyes like the damn cartoons. And then all of a sudden now they start needing help with their bills. Like, motherfucker, wasn't you behind on your bills before you met me? The fuck I look like? Got me fucked up. Now, I haven't had the high value mentality my entire life. So I've been the person to chase more times than I really care to admit. But life is all a lesson. There's been plenty of times when I was into a female more than she was into me. And I would fail all the shit tests. And I was sitting there trying to get her to like me. And one day things changed. Or maybe not one day, but, you know, over time, I started putting myself first. Started saying no whenever I really didn't want to do something for a female. And even if they pulled away from me, trust me, they watch you and they see that you was that person that got away, or they realize that they took advantage of you. And they always will try to spin the block. That was actually my first red pill video that I made, but I digress. Take your focus off of them. Elevate yourself. Love yourself. And now you're more desirable to them. More than they ever even showed you that you were. Crazy, ain't it? Fellas, I want you to start acting like the prize, because you are. You are not the pursuer. You have to make these women know that them gracing your presence is a blessing. It is not the other way around. And the sooner you start implementing that mindset, things will change. It's time to build yourself up. Focus on yourself and stay focused. And stop pedestalizing women who have not earned it. Because let's face it, we've all done it before. And that needs to stop immediately. When it comes to women, you are not her fan. You are not her savior. You are the CEO of your life. Start acting like it. Everybody take care, stay blessed, stay elevated. I'll see you in the next one. Salute.